Hi guys, so I was looking at a company 4 months ago and I was ready to join something, that I thought was pretty good. And actually, to be honest with you, I had been looking at this business for, I don't know, since summer last year. And I couldn't join, unfortunately, because it was only available in the United States. So anyway, I kept an eye on it. I looked at it because I like the products, and I'm already ordering these very same products. But the thing I liked about it was not only because of the quality of the products, but also the pricing was just, mind-boggling. It was amazing. So guys, I was ready to get on board as soon as they went international, which is in December. I was on board. I did tell my sponsor at the time that I wasn't really probably necessarily going to be building this much. I was interested in the products, and I did actually say that I probably wasn't going to be building it. But guys, I mean, I did get to work. I did start sponsoring people, and I could see that compared to my previous company, things were converting really, really well. People were, very interested in me and in the business, and that led me to think, right, okay, this is something good. My previous company, I only made about $700 plus in that company, and I've been in there for about a year. And like I said, I was interested in the products. That was really my motivation for this kind of opportunity. And so I wasn't really going like crazy, but my previous company, the products were too expensive. Well, this company, you can save up to 70 or even 80% on what you've been purchasing anyway. Because guys, I purchase these products, either whether locally here in Japan, or whether, from another company or MLM company or direct sales company or whatever. But guys, I decided to jump on board. And when I started to see, people really coming on board in the hundreds, literally into my team, that led me to think that people want this. People really want these products. People want this opportunity. People have been killed and they've been struggling in other opportunities. And I realized that, crikey, I have my hands on something big here. So I decided to get to work. But listen, guys, my team has grown in this last month. As I say, I've been involved in this business since December. But in this last month or so, my team has grown to over 23, almost 24,000 people in my team. I'm not talking about spill-off, I'm not talking about Powerline or anything like that. I'm talking about my team, okay? Not my direct referrals, obviously. My direct referrals, I've sponsored about 250, almost 260 people personally. However, my entire team, almost 24,000, 23,600 or 23,500 or whatever it is. It's just absolutely mind-boggling. I've got diamonds in my downline. I've got platinums in my downline. I've got entire nations coming into my downline. It's just huge. It really is. And it's just mind-boggling.